Welcome to the Redmond Minute, your source for the latest Microsoft and enterprise news. I'm Chris Paley, Redmond Mag Editor, and here's what we're following this week.
Microsoft's SharePoint turns 25, rolls out agentic AI building and governance tools. SharePoint hits its 25-year mark this week, and Microsoft is using the milestone to highlight new agentic AI capabilities that help organizations build and manage intelligent assistants grounded in enterprise content. For IT teams, the focus is governance, giving admins better control over how AI agents access, use, and secure SharePoint data across Microsoft 365 environments. Next, signed malware impersonating workplace apps used to deploy malicious backdoors. Security researchers are warning about a campaign using digitally signed malware disguised as legitimate workplace apps. Once installed, the malware deploys remote monitoring and management tools to create persistent backdoors into enterprise systems. Because the binaries are signed and resemble trusted business software, the attacks can bypass traditional defenses and blend into normal IT activity. Moving on, Microsoft urges IT teams to prepare for secure boot certificate updates. IT teams may need to update firmware, operating systems, and deployment processes to ensure systems continue booting securely. The guidance is especially important for environments managing large fleets of devices or legacy infrastructure. Next up, Azure SQL Managed Instance adds new capabilities. Microsoft is continuing to evolve Azure SQL Managed Instance with improvements aimed at hybrid and migration scenarios. The latest updates expand feature parity with on-premises SQL Server and streamlined database modernization projects. For enterprises moving workloads to Azure, the enhancements are designed to reduce friction while maintaining familiar SQL Server capabilities. Finally, Microsoft 365 Copilot adds new AI features. Microsoft is expanding Copilot across Microsoft 365 with additional AI-driven capabilities designed to automate everyday work. The updates introduce more context-aware assistance across collaboration tools and productivity apps, helping teams generate content, summarize information, and manage tasks directly within their existing workflows.
And that's a wrap for this edition of the Redmond Minute. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.